Hello everyone, myself lecturer Ms. Aditya Anil Kushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques. Today we are going to discuss about the experiments from Pharmaceutics 2. So first of all, let's discuss regarding introduction to the monophasic liquid dosage forms, in that specially the liquid meant for external administration, that liquids applied on skin. So the liniments are fluid, semi-fluid or occasionally semi-solid preparations that are intended for application to the skin. They may be alcoholic or oily solutions or emulsions. Most are massaged into the skin. For an example, counter-irritant. Liniment should not be applied to the broken skin. Recommended containers are: liniment should be dispensed in colored fluted bottle. Special labeling instructions for liniments are: for external use only, shake well before use, and not to be applied to open wound or broken skin. Storage: liniment should be stored in a tightly closed airtight container in a cool place. In next session we will discuss regarding actual experiment.
Experiment number 47. Title of this experiment is to prepare and submit the liniment 10 ml. Proposition 1. Certain substances liquefy on mixing with each other. Proposition 2. Such substances are called as a eutectic substance. Learning objectives are to understand the formulation of eutectic mixture and ability to prepare and submit the eutectic mixture. Apparatus required are mortar, pestle, beaker. Factor calculated as quantity required upon quantity given is equal to 10 upon 12, that is equal to 0.833. The prescription is given over here by the symbol which is denoted by the symbol Rx. This is the prescription given in the Latin terminology. So let's discuss about formula table. Type, that is use, category or role of ingredient. Translation means the name of ingredient. Quantity given in the imperial system in Latin terminology for 12 ml. Quantity given in the metric system to prepare up to 12 ml, and the quantity taken in the metric system, that is to prepare up to 10 ml. So we have the menthol as a pain reliever, anti-itching agent. Quantity given in imperial, that is Dracham J, means 4 gram. So we have the quantity taken in metric system to prepare up to 10 ml, that is 3.33 gram. Camphor used as a pain reliever, anti-itching agent. The quantity given in the metric is again 4 grams, so taken is 3.33 gram. Thymol used as a pain reliever and anti-itching agent. All these three ingredients, menthol, camphor and thymol, are also known as the eutectic substance. Quantity given in the imperial system, that is Dracham J, means 4 gram. Quantity given in metric system 4 gram, quantity taken should be 3.33 gram. So we have these quantities taken calculated with the help of factor. Direction to be used as directed by physician.
So now let's move for performing actual experiment in laboratory. We have, this is a menthol which is a previously weighed, this is a camphor which is previously weighed, this is thymol which is also previously weighed. So I am going to add all these powders, that is menthol, thymol and camphor, into this mortar pestle for proper trituration of it. So I added the camphor, menthol, thymol, all these three powders into this mortar pestle and proceed for trituration. So now after trituration, that are liquid which is formed, which I poured into this measuring cylinder and make up the volume up to 10 ml, and now I am going to transfer it into this container. Then we will proceed for next labeling part. So now let's move towards labeling part. So labeling of formulation, liniment 10 ml. For ABC means name of patient, register number, that is XYZ number given in the register. Dispatched by PQR means name of pharmacist. Manufacturing date September 2020. Storage condition, stored in a cool place. Shake well before use. One more direction for liniment is apply with friction. glass bottle for inspection, special instruction label as shake well before use.